Hello, my name is William Chia, and I'm Program Director for International Business at LaSalle University. If you were on the marketing page a moment ago, yes, that's also me. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you again to this virtual session. And in the next few minutes, I'd like to have a brief conversation with you about considering international business as a major and why international business at LaSalle University. This might seem like a strange thing to say right now, where most of us have spent the last several weeks working from home. Other than essential travel, nobody's flying or going anywhere. But we really do live and work in a global economy. And being that we live and work in a global economy, it's important for us to understand how international business works. Just pick up a pair of Nike or an iPhone, and you can clearly see that parts or all of these products, in many cases, they are either designed, they are sourced or manufactured, or marketed all over the world. So international business is a part of being part of a global economy. And as far as the International Business Program at LaSalle University, we have a very flexible program that caters to many different interests. In fact, a couple of things about our international business program. The first thing is that you need a second major or relevant minor to choose international business. So it doesn't really matter. So you could certainly, have accounting as your primary major, or finance, or marketing, or management leadership as your primary major, or even criminal justice or history for that matter. And you can still do a second major in international business. The other thing about international business at LaSalle is that it is a very flexible program, as well as a very interdisciplinary program. And what that means is that as an international business student, you'll be taking courses in economics and political science, in education, in finance, in marketing, in management leadership. The program is not only flexible, but it is also interdisciplinary in nature. Third, the International Business Program at LaSalle University, we do not require a foreign language. Foreign language is an option and certainly is encouraged, but it is not a requirement. But travel is an essential component. And once again, this is kind of a strange time we're talking about travel, but travel is indeed essential, and you can fulfill that requirement either by way of study abroad, and study abroad can be during the fall, summer, or spring. Or you can also take these short-term travel study courses that are short-term travel that is within a course during the spring recess. I myself have taught and been involved with teaching a short-term travel study course to Germany and France for the past 15 years, and you can see here some students from recent trips to those locations. We also have a trip in a business school to South America, to Santiago, Chile, that for several years has been co-taught by faculty from the marketing department and a faculty from the management department. And then third, we also have a travel study course to China, to Beijing and Shanghai, that is taught by the co-chair of the marketing department, Dr. Jun Zhang. So really, in essence, I would just like to conclude this very brief conversation to you about international business as a second major at LaSalle. Is that again, you do need a primary major, so you should think about international business as a second major if you enjoy travel, if you look to make international education as part of your time at LaSalle. I would ask you to consider international business as a second major. I'm happy to follow up with you by phone or by email, or if you'd like to schedule a video conference, please email me, contact me, and I'll be happy to follow up with you. Good luck with your search and be well.